Walk right up in the room like fuck everybody but me. Everybody but me. Looking like it's all good, but fuck everybody but me. Everybody but me. And I really wish a nigga would say fuck everybody but me. Everybody but me. And you could be just like me. Say fuck everybody. Everybody but me. Everybody but me. Everybody but me. Everybody but me. Say fuck everybody.
Get the memo. Slipping in my city is a NO. We put down the demo, then go stuffing them hoes in the limo. They see the silver control and Jay Leno. They see him walk through the doors. Winners, haters mugging us because they hoes. Winners, send us better simmer, but thinking they wanna chin us. Better remember we ain't nothing but rogue in us. Stepping out with Technina, yes sir. Whether remains, whether she came. Next thing you know, man, that girl on everything, everything. We're just playing, she's saying this is my shit. That's why they be waiting in line to kiss my Chris. True fake dudes, I'm not selfish, but you may lose if I can help it. Step into this my roommate groove, wearing the opposite of blue suede shoes. Elvis.
Walk right up in the room like fuck everybody but me. Everybody but me. Everybody but me.
Finna go.
Everybody but me. Everybody but me.
About to go.
Everybody but me.
Finna go.
Everybody but me. Say fuck everybody.
We drinking. Why you wonder why your woman winking? Trip with us, you're headed for extinction. We just bringing drinks in to buy the bar that everybody drinking. People looking salty, must be smoking Jesse Pinkman. Everybody but me, looking broken, dusty. That's how your lady look at me, that's why she wanna cuff me. I'm gonna shine, never rusty. Every year I come back with another one, they never gonna hush me. She wanna get close to touch a strange gem. She say you don't remember me cause I just became slim. Oh yeah. That's right, I know you from so-and-so, what's her name them? They know that Technina's always coming hotter than hell's kid. And I'm steady drinking like I'm a Celtic. Why they tripping with me? Cause now I'm dipping with she. And I'm gonna give her what she needs. Elvis.
Walk right up in the room like fuck everybody but me. Everybody but me. Looking like it's all good, but fuck everybody but me. Everybody but me. And I really wish a nigga would say fuck everybody but me. Everybody but me. And you could be just like me. Say fuck everybody. Everybody but me. Everybody but me.